Now listen here. Today I am going to do some questions on principle of homogeneity of dimension. It's clear. Principle of homogeneity of dimension. Now see here, what is principle of homogeneity of dimension? It means in a correct equation, all the terms will have same dimension. In a correct equation, all the terms have same dimension. It's clear. Now this we can understand in the other way also. What is the other way of understanding this? So only like dimension terms means only like dimension terms. Like dimension means having same dimension. Having same dimension. Only like dimension terms can be added or subtracted or equated. मतलब केवल लाइक डायमेंशन टर्म्स को ही हम ऐड कर सकते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, इक्वेट कर सकते हैं. टुडे वी विल डू क्वेश्चंस ओवर दिस on the principle of homogeneity of dimension. So you can see here if you see here, this is question number 7. Have you got this question number 7? Have you got? B equals to 80 plus B. Have you got question number 7 on the screen?
Yes, sir.
B
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
velocity and T is time. Velocity and T is time. You have to find the dimensions of dimensional equation of A upon B. Means A upon B की dimension क्या होगी? That you have to find. It's clear. So you can see here what will be the dimension of this. So what is the dimension of velocity that you know? What is the dimension of velocity?
LT raised to power minus
LT minus 1. It's clear. We say only power नहीं बोलते. LT minus 1. It's clear. वो understood है कि power में. LT minus 1. It's clear. Now see here. According to this, all the terms will have same dimension. Only like dimension terms can be added, subtracted, and equated. मतलब जो इसकी डायमेंशन है वही इसकी है और वही क्या है इसकी है. इट इज क्लियर. जो B की डायमेंशन है वही 80 की है एंड वही क्या है B की है. सो व्हाट इज डायमेंशन ऑफ B? डायमेंशन ऑफ B इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच? हु कैन टेल?
LT minus 1.
LT minus 1.
LT
LT minus 1. Now dimension of AT. This is also equals to LT minus. It's clear. So what is the dimension of A? Dimension of A. It will be LT minus 1 divided by dimension of t. It's clear? What will be dimension of A? Dimension of A, you can see here, it will be LT minus 1 upon dimension of T. And what is the dimension of T?
T.
Dimension of T is this
T.
T. When you will simplify, what will you get? LT minus 2. LT minus 2. So see here, now you have to determine dimension of A upon B. Dimension of A upon B. ये क्या हो जाएगा? It will be equal to A की dimension upon B की dimension. What is A की dimension? A की dimension is this. That is LT minus 2. What is B की dimension? Dimension of B.
LT minus 1.
Upon LT minus 1. What will be on simplification?
T minus 3.
minus 3 होगा, ये आता है t minus 1. कितना होगा? t minus 1. Why? Because L and L will be cancelled. जब ये ऊपर जाएगा तो ये पावर क्या हो जाएगी? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. It's clear? Therefore, it will be t minus 1. Have you got this question?
Yes, sir.
आपको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take one more question here. Now see the question number 9. This question. Question number 9. You can see here the velocity v equals to at plus b upon t plus c, where a, b, c are constants. A, b, c are constants. It's clear. The dimensions of a, b, c are respectively. You have to find the dimensions of a, b, c. What is v? V is velocity. What is dimension? Just now you have put LT minus 1. T is time. What is the dimension of time? It is t. Now you have to determine the dimension of A, B, and C. So you can see here. What is the dimension of A, B, and C? So just now I have told only like dimension terms can be added, subtracted, and equated. Even like dimension terms can be added, subtracted, or equated. So see here, what will be the dimension of C?
Sir, T.
जो होगी इसकी. It's clear. So dimension of C equals to dimension of T. It will be equal to T. It's clear. Then you can see what will be dimension of T plus C. Who can tell? Elisa. Elisa. What will be dimension of T plus T? Arohi Patel.
Sir.
Yes.
T.
It will be T. हमने बताया था डायमेंशन का मतलब यूनिट से है और यूनिट कभी ऐड नहीं होती. हमने एक एग्जांपल दिया था 12 सेकंड प्लस 10 सेकंड. It will be equal to how many seconds? 22 seconds. 12 seconds plus 10 seconds equals to 22 seconds. What is the dimension here? Dimension is T. What is the dimension here? Dimension is T. यहाँ भी dimension T हो जाएगी. ये नहीं कि 2 times of T हो. It is clear? So what is the dimension of this? It will be T. This thing is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो C की डायमेंशन आ गई. Now what will be the dimension of AT?
Sir,
LT
equal
minus
to
one.
V.
Dimension of AT from principle of homogeneity, it will be same as dimension of V, and dimension of V means LT minus 1. So what will be dimension of A? Who can tell?
LT minus 2.
Now all of you see here. Dimension of AT means dimension of A into dimension of T. So dimension of A will be LT minus 1 divided by dimension of T, and dimension of T is T. So when you will simplify, it will be equal to what? LT minus 2. It is clear? LT minus 2. Then you can see here what will be the dimension of this whole term.
Sir, equal to
LT
V.
minus 1.
Equals to LT minus 1. Dimension of B upon T plus C equals to LT minus 1. Now you can see here, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Dimension of B divided by dimension of T plus C. Dimension of B divided by dimension of T plus C. So what will be dimension of B? LT minus 1 into dimension of T plus C. T plus C, that is LT minus 1. It is T, it means equals to L.
L.
It's clear? Means A की डायमेंशन कितना हो गया? A की डायमेंशन तो LT minus 2. B की डायमेंशन is L and C की डायमेंशन is T. It's clear? You can find which option is correct. Which option is correct here? Option number B. Have you got? Option number B is correct. Now question number 5. Question number 5. All of you see on the screen. Question number 5 is there. Here it is given P plus A upon V square V minus T equals to R into T. If the van der Waals gas equation that you will study in the chemistry as well as in the physics in the later chapter. In the later chapters you will study this also. So P plus A upon V square into V minus P equals to RT is the van der Waals gas equation where P, V, T are pressure, volume and temperature. R is you have to, and A, B, R are respectively are constants in the equation. You have to find the dimensional formula of A. So it is very simple. Dimensional formula of A. It's clear. You can see here A किस टर्म में आ रहा है, A इस टर्म में आ रहा है. ये किसके साथ ऐड किया गया है?
Pressure.
Pressure.
This term is added with P. मतलब इसकी डायमेंशन वही होगी जो किसकी होगी?
P की.
P की होगी. What is dimension of P? First you see this dimension of P. So P हमको मालूम है क्या होता है? F upon A. F कितना है डायमेंशन में? MLT minus 2 upon L square. That is equals to ML minus 1 T minus 2. ML minus 1 T minus 2. Is clear? What is dimension of V? Who can
LT
tell?
minus 1.
It will be LT minus 1. V यहाँ वॉल्यूम है. V क्या है?
So L
L
cube.
cube.
Clear? So see here, क्योंकि हमको तो केवल A का निकालना है. Dimension of A upon V square equals to dimension of P. Dimension of P means ml minus 1 T minus. So what is dimension of A? It is ml minus 1 T minus 2 into dimension of V square. Who can tell the dimension of V square? Dimension of V square कौन बताएगा?
L6. L to power 6.
It is L की power 6 क्योंकि V की है L की power 3. Therefore it will be L की power 6. L की power 6 means it will be ml to the power 5 T minus 2. ml to the power 5 T minus 2. What will be dimension of B here?
Sir, equal to V.
Equal to V. और V की डायमेंशन ऑलरेडी हमको पता है. V इज वॉल्यूम, डायमेंशन इज L क्यूब. Have you got?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see here. Here you can see one more question. This question number 6. Dimensional formula of m into c square. हमको मालूम है m into c square किसके बराबर होता है? एनर्जी. This is the Einstein's mass energy equivalence relation. Einstein's mass energy equivalence relation. It's clear? So what is energy? Energy का dimensional formula ml square t minus 2. ml square t minus 2 is this. भावजीत ये क्या कर रहे हो? हम यहाँ सब कंप्यूटर पर देख रहे हैं. Now see here. After this you see the question number 10. Question number 10. F equals to A cos bx into C sin t into t. It's clear. The force F is what? Force. F acting on a particle in terms of t and distance s, time t, and x is distance. It's clear. You have to find the dimension of AC and BD. Means you have to find the dimension of AC and AC की डायमेंशन निकालनी है and BD की डायमेंशन फाइंड आउट करनी है. Now this question is very good. You can see here. What will be the dimension of AC and what will be the dimension of BD? First, you write down the dimensions of those quantities which are given. Dimensions of those quantities which are given. It's clear. So see here. Here F is force. What is dimension? mlt minus 2. It's clear. Then it is time. Dimension will be t, and this is distance, means it will be L. Now you can rewrite this equation. We can rewrite this equation. So see here. It will be F equals to A into C into cos bx. Now all of you see here. ये बताओ क्या इस टर्म की कोई डायमेंशन होती है? तुम लोगों को मालूम है
सर नहीं।
डायमेंशन तभी होगी जब
नो
यूनिट
सर।
ऐसा। और ये क्या है? ये है रेशियो, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज, रेशियो ऑफ टू साइड्स ऑफ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। इट्स क्लियर? मींस trigonometrical functions do not have any dimension। मतलब तुम ये जानो साइन, कॉस, टेन सब में थीटा लगा लेना, इनके उल्टे कोसेक, सेक एंड कॉट डोंट हैव एनी डायमेंशन, डोंट हैव any dimension, means they are dimension, don't have any dimension, they are dimensionless। It's clear? Now see here, this is a single term, ये पूरा एक single term है। क्यों? Because everywhere there is the multiplication, a into c into cos bx into sin dt। It's clear? a into c into cos bx into sin dt। So this whole will have the same dimension as f, as f। It is clear? पर तुमको तो मालूम है कि इन दोनों की तो डायमेंशन ही नहीं है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
cos bx into sin
मतलब
dt।
सर f की डायमेंशन ac के बराबर है।
Yes, it is dimension less, it is dimension less means m0 l0 t0। it means what will be dimension of ac?
MLT minus 2.
dimension of f, yes, it will be equal to mlt minus 2। ये तो हो गया एक पार्ट। now all of you see here, now you see this thing bx। बताओ क्या एंगल की कोई डायमेंशन होती है? हमने एकदम बिगिनिंग वाले डे में बताया था एंगल इक्वल्स टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस। तुम लोगों को याद आया? आर्क क्या है? एक लेंथ है, ये भी लेंथ है, मींस इट इज आल्सो डायमेंशनलेस, m0 l0 t। it is dimensionless, it don't have any dimension। it is clear? now all of you see here, so whether bx is having any dimension?
No sir।
No, sir.
bx don't have any dimension। whether dt is having any dimension?
No
No
No,
sir।
sir.
No sir।
no dimension। it's clear? so you write down h bx and dt are angles, therefore they are dimensionless। dimensionless means क्या हुआ? dimension of bx is dimensionless means m0 l0 t0। it is clear? now who can tell dimension of bx means what? dimension of bx means dimension of b into dimension of x, dimension of b into dimension of x equals to m0 l0 t0। what is dimension of x?
L।
L।
dimension of b, this will be equals to m0 l0 t0 अपॉन डायमेंशन ऑफ x। जैसे करते हैं मैथ्स में, तुमको मालूम ही होगा कि बताने की जरूरत नहीं है। दिस इज क्लियर? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग?
Yes, sir.
ये भी बहुत कई बार किया। द सेम वी विल अप्लाई हियर, डायमेंशन ऑफ dt, दिस इज इक्वल टू m0 l0 t0। so what is dimension of d? now you tell me.
T.
upon dimension of t, upon
T
dimension of
minus
t,
1. T
dimension
minus
of
1.
t is t, that is t minus 1. so what is dimension of bd? bd की डायमेंशन क्या हुई?
T
L minus 1
and t minus 1, that is l minus 1 t minus 1. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
समझ
Yes,
में आ
sir.
गया ये? Any problem?
No, sir.
अब देख लो। Have you got the book? सबको बुक मिली कि नहीं?
yes sir
Now this is the question number 5 here, page 100 पर। Have you got on the screen? स्क्रीन पर मिल गया
Yes,
होगा ये
sir.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। It's clear? So that also you can do. t की डायमेंशन क्या होगी बोलो?
sir t
t. It's clear. What will be dimension of a?
LT minus 1.
lt minus 1, because v is velocity here. It's clear? Then you can see here this question, question number 7. E equals to b minus x square divided by at, where E is energy, x is distance, and t is time. What will be the dimension of b?
Sir, L square.
It will be L square. This I am doing. You can see. कुछ है नहीं. It is E equals to. So you will do this type of questions today. 80. You have to find the dimension of A into B. A into B की dimension find out. So see here, each energy. What is dimension of energy? Who can tell? Dimension of energy. Very simple.
M L square T minus 2.
X is distance, so dimension will be L. It's clear. T is time, dimension will be T. Now from principle of homogeneity, what will be dimension of B? It will be equal to dimension of x square. Dimension of x square means L square. It's clear? Now all of you see here, what will be dimension of b minus x square? Who can tell?
Sir, L square.
It will be L square. It will be L square. So see here, you have to find the dimension of A. So dimension of, first you make the formula of A. A का formula क्या हुआ? B minus x square upon E into T. So what is dimension of A? B minus x square की dimension कितना हो गया? L square. What is the dimension of E? It is ml square T minus 2. What is the dimension of T? It is capital T. When you will simplify, what will you get? M की तो power हो गई -1. L square cancel. Here it is T minus 1. When it will go up, it is T. So what will be dimension of A into B? A into B, that is equals to
M minus 1 L square T.
M minus 1 L square T. It's clear?
Yes.
It will be
Yes, sir.
dimension of A into B. So I think that this type of questions are you have understood. So you will do this type of questions today. It's clear. Then there is one more application of this. Wait for a minute. सभी लोग 1 मिनट के लिए वेट करें. Now see here, we can deduce the formula with the help of dimensional analysis. Deriving means deducing. Deriving and deducing having the same. Deriving or deducing the formula with the help of dimensional analysis. Now see here, with the help of dimensional analysis, we can deduce the formula, but not in all cases. Only in certain cases we can deduce the formula. It's clear? And what are the restrictions with this? So we can deduce the formula only when a given physical quantity depends upon 1 or 2 or 3 other physical quantity. A given physical quantity depends on 1 or 2 or 3 other physical quantities. It's clear. Number 2, dependence is of product type. Dependence is either of product type or quotient type. Quotient means division. Then only we can derive the formula. For example, this type of formula. Area of square. Area of square is what? Side square. Is L square. Area of square is L square, that is side square. You can say X square like this. It is clear? Here, this quantity depends upon only one quantity. It's clear? This depends upon only one quantity. Then you can see here density. Mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. Now this depends upon 2 quantities. Density depends upon 2 quantities. Mass upon mass and volume. It's clear? Then you can see here, we can deduce this formula. P equals to H into rho into G. pressure exerted by a liquid column. Here it depends upon how many quantities, H, rho and G. All these can be derived. पर अगर कोई ये दिया है, there is a certain physical quantity X, and suppose it depends upon 4 other quantities A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D are the physical quantities. Then we will not be able to derive the formula. We will not be able to derive the formula by using method. By using this method, it is clear. By using dimensional analysis method, we will not be able to derive the formula. We can derive the formula of physical quantity only when it depends either on the one quantity or on two quantities or on the three quantities. And dependence should be of either product type or quotient type. Whether it is possible to derive the formula S equals to UT plus half AT square. क्या हम derive कर सकते हैं? No.
No.
Why? Because here dependence is addition type. Here there is the addition of two quantities. Whether we can derive the formula, this we can derive only when it is given in the question that it depends upon these two factors. On the addition of these two factors. On the addition of these two factors. Only when we can derive. Now see here.
Sir, what is
Perimeter.
example?
Perimeter equals to length plus breadth. Whether you can be able to derive with the help of this or no. Because the dependence is of addition type. Yes, what are you asking?
Sir, can you give one example of quotient type?
Quotient मतलब division. ये बताया तो. Quotient means division.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So now tomorrow I will explain that the time is ending.